Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke, and for today's in Spooktober 2023, which is the entire month of October where I will be posting only fall or wintry or spooky or anything like that kind of videos, I will be sharing a new nail polish that makes me happy whenever I wear them. Halloween 2023 edition. In these nail polish that make me happy collection videos, let's just call it like that, I pretty much just grab 10 random colors from my collection, swatch them and so on, so you can actually have some inspiration on what to wear this specific Halloween season. But yeah, I'm just going to quit the rambling right here. The polishes are all different brands, different finishes, different like consistencies and so on. So if you weren't inspired what to wear on your nails yet, this is your time to grab a snack, grab a drink and paint your nails together with me. So yeah, I am going to add some relaxing music underneath the rest of the footage, and as usual, I love you so much. A happy Spooktober, and I love to see you in my next video as well. you.